Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Conchita and today we are making some delicious homemade Quesa Birrias and also known as Quesa tacos. To make them, we need a good melting cheese for making quesadillas. We also need corn tortillas and birria with consome. If you want the recipe for the birria, I will leave the link to the recipe under the description box below. We are going to start by dipping the corn tortilla into the consummate. If the birria that you are using has a lot of fat on top, you don't need to add more grease to it. For example, with my recipe, I usually take the fat out of the birria the day after I make it. So I will be adding a little bit of oil to the tortillas. Adding grease to the tortilla will make a very nice crispy taco. After the tortillas are warm, just flip them once. And I like to use 2 tortillas for 1 quesa birria, so you have to put 1 tortilla on top of the other. You add cheese to the tortilla and make sure that you put it right in the middle of the tortilla if you want the cheese to be on both sides when you fold the taco. If you just want it on one side, just put the cheese on one side of the tortilla. After you add the cheese and it's somewhat melted, you can start adding the meat, and also you can add some consomme. The consomme is optional, but it will help the quesabirria not to be dry. Now after you do that, just fold the tortilla like this and just leave it until the tortilla is nice and crispy. But if you don't like the quesabirrias to be crispy, you can go ahead and eat them like this. We like to garnish our tacos with some cilantro, onion, and a really good spicy hot sauce. And here you go, my friends. This is the final product. I really do hope that you guys try this recipe. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I see you next time. Adios.